Yes, people, you know what time it is, people. It's a link up day today. Ringo Vision is out and about. You know what time it is. Madness are going to happen in a minute. Yeah, I'm going to link my virgin. Me and I'm going to deal with that madness, people, yeah? Alright. I've got something special in my bag. What's this in my hand? Whoa! Yeah, but let me show you where I am right now. Show you the environment, people, yeah? Yeah, man, we're in Croydon at the moment. Yeah. Tram line there. Sugarcane there. You see it, people? Yeah, man. Alright, you soon see me again in a minute. Next location. Alright, people. Big up. Oh, yeah, man, we're out. Nice bright weather today, people. You know what time it is. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. See where I go on. We're out in the town today. Yeah, man, we're on a movement today. We're on a traveling today. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go and link up M Dot. We've got a mad thing that we're gonna be doing today, you know. Whoa. Yeah, man. It's not a normal, but the weather's nice and bright, you see. Yeah, man, it's a nice bright weather today, people, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe. I'm out today. I got a couple drinks of sugarcane with me as well, people. So I chop with some sugarcane. Yeah, man, it's a vibes. We're gonna be making some juice. You know, I say back home in Jamaica, when I grew up, you don't have a juicer. So I'm gonna show you how we don't juice the sugarcane without the juicer, people, yeah. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. You know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. M.R, big up yourself. You have a see me in a second, brother. Yeah, man, but we start the recording from now. But I started from before, but yeah, man, I record some of the journey, people. I'm showing you where I go on today. Yeah, man, we're out in a Croydon town centre at the moment. Yeah, man, we're making our way down to Sheerness. Yeah, man, we've been travelling from South London. We reach Yassa, so I'm a quarter way on my journey already, people. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with the Ringo Vision, man. Yeah, man, it's a nice view, said we. Alright. See it there? Transportation just reached, people, so yeah. It's not a cooking on the tram thing, but yeah, we are taking the tram today to go to our next destination. Yeah, man. Get the next train, people. Well, not next train. Okay. Let me see. It's a tight gap in it. Yeah, made it. Yeah, man. You know, if I didn't get this train here, people, half an hour away. Mad thing. You know, Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Next destination again. You know what time it is. So people never tell you what just happened to blows not caught. You run me around for your train. I tell them the one because all the way I friend and all the way I vision. I run me around for your train and make a blows not drop. But also woman said to me, say, "Are you right, love? Are you right, love?" And the next one say, "You alright, love?" I said, "Blow, whoa." Yeah, man, I say, "Me alright," and I get up and I flash for your train and I imagine this. Train when I run for two, not even catch it. So I put me there on the next journey. But you see when I try to do what people man and mash up to just go and get this thing right for everybody. So people I might try to tell you say, I not hide out nothing. So I show you say Ringo Vision need the monetization. So I monetize the Ringo Vision thing. So I connect with Ringo Vision thing and subscribe up the thing, people, because even though a man drop and fall over, you get up back, I dust off myself with the palm of journey again. Yeah, man, full speed ahead, see the people. Sugar cane pan deck, people. Yeah, man, I know joke thing, you know, I work with the sugar cane to the people. Yeah, man. A fast train ride with the pan right now. Yeah, man, a mad move I go on idea, people. It's not a joke thing. Yes, people, you think it's joke. Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. I thought for some chips. So I come here to buy some chips today, people. You know what time it is. On the way. Yeah, can I get a portion of chips, please? That's it. Yeah. Yeah, just grabbing a portion of chips quickly. Before I go and link M.Dot car, feel for something. But don't feel like saying, man, we're still not going to cook up the place today, people. We're still going to cook up the place, but I did still feel for some chips. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Chips time. Alright, people, you know what time it is. We're out already. Ben, Ross, up and coming production. Look, M.Dot's gone there with the bag. Where you gone? Let's see where, madam. You do, mate?
It's a mad one today, my brother, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Yes, people, as you can see, look, M.Dot is setting up for a mad thing today, yeah? Go over to his channel, Cook and Vibe, yeah? You're gonna watch this episode, people.
24-hour kitchen, yeah? And a joke thing, you know, you think I joking when man said 24-hour kitchen. Every hour the man in that kitchen, you know?
Cool, man?
Show some respect, man.
Ah!
To me.
Alright, people, so you see what I'm going right now? We're recording for season 6 Cook and Vibe. Ringo Vision, you know, so
Get some money shots.
the whole team there, people.
What?
So M.Dot there, burn up, hot like fire. Hot,
Hot, hot man.
Alright, now I'll show you no more.
Hot like fire.
Yes, people, you know what time it is. It's Ringo Vision. Yeah, we're there behind the scenes. I do the thing. You know, and Joe. M.Dot saying I'm going with the madness today.
Right.
See where we're there? Queensborough.
To that train station, I'm going to try and get that salt block onto that train quickly and cook some shrimp by the time I get to the next stop.
Alright, see, we've got Ben here. Look, people, go on and hit up
Upcoming productions.
quick and fast. Yeah?
What you
Ross.
Ross Dean, local grime MC from Brighton, underrated, blacklisted.
No.
but I'm still here.
No, let me hear a few start. Give me 2 bars then.
You want something, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I hear a lot of man talking it. You can't talk the talk without walking it. Talking like you're gonna put a knife in my artery. Stop chatting and come put a fork in it. I smoke bud, you man put stalk in it. Used to be a thug breaking a law in it. These little pythons can't keep up with the great one. I never get caught in it. Wait, that's a little eight.
Alright, you see what I'm going? We're out here. Out here.
Come on.
Shrimp on the dragging, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's not a joke.
Come on.
They thought it was a game.
They thought it was
never been a game.
never game over.
It's not a joke.
Here we are, people.
It's not a joke, people.
Look who we are. Look at the window. Ben, excuse me. Look who we are. Thank you. Yeah, next stop. We're not doing nothing wrong. And do you know what the best thing is? This is a really natural, good way to cook. You know what I mean? We're still sizzling.
And what's happening?
Jerk shrimp.
Yeah, the salt. Have you see the salt?
Look at that, Ben. Look at that. We're still going.
Can you see the salt formulating?
Yes.
Off of every cook, so it's naturally getting the right amount of salt.
Yeah.
Not too much, you know, the right amount.
Yeah.
Mad thing.
So this should be done. So what we got? Where's the bag? Yep. So there we go. People. Season. Ready. Okay.
And look what we've got here. We've got some cucumber, we've got some tomatoes. Put them, try and get some of them on the block. So, you know them. And these are organic cherry tomatoes, right?
Organic, bro.
Yeah, man.
Fresh.
Is that still cooking? Still cooking. Still cooking there. Why? Yeah, man. So that's that. This thing will just dash you back in here anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, a 24-hour kitchen and,
Yeah, man,
and cook and vibe, man. Cook and vibe. All are we there, man. I have to catch a clip in these people here,
Watch
car.
this, Ben.
You know, it's a mad
I'm
thing.
just mixing this in with this. Stay out of my mind.
Yes, people, yeah, look out for the episode on M.Dot's channel. It's not a joke thing. We're out here. This was the big link up. Yeah, man, the food where we did that cook today. Yeah, man, it's the food there, man.
Yeah.
Oi. People, you saw what just happened just now.
If a man try tell me say me can't put cook on the chain, me I go lick him with a Ringo.
Yeah.
You know how the thing go? 2022, man have to tie up them shoes. Yeah?
Shoelace.
You know what?
Is it? You know what time it is, people, yeah. So,
Old type Ringo.
so the first time,
First time.
it's going to be tasting sugarcane. So I thought we're going to do it on camera as well.
Gonna do it on camera, people. This is my first ever time trying sugarcane. I've always seen it pop up on the other episode of Brother
I've got to get
M.Dot.
involved. I've got to get involved.
Gotta get involved.
So Ringo done tell you how to deal with it, right?
Yeah.
Just
Alright.
chew it.
So
swallow
watch
the
it, watch
juice.
it, watch it.
Mad.
Don't swallow it. Cut the juice out like you would a sweet. Sugar.
Is it sweet, Ross?
Oh, you know what? Bun chewing gum.
Yeah. And
You
see
said
when
bun
you
and
done
chewing
that,
gum.
Bun chewing gum.
When
Bun
it's like
chewing
that,
gum.
just dash it.
Ross said bun chewing gum.
Bun
Yeah.
chewing gum. You want to refresh your breath? Bun that in some mint juice or something, bro.
No, it's really good for your tooth decay.
Yeah.
Really good. It strengthens your tooth. People use it when they've got toothache, and they chew this. If you chew this when you got toothache,
Mad thing.
it'll prevent it.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like a soother as well then.
Yeah.
Because it becomes soft like a sponge, innit?
Babies. See when your babies
Try
are
that.
teething.
Yeah.
Try the chew.
Yeah.
As long as you don't get a stringy one, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
and the seeds. Go on.
Yeah, man.
Try a bit, bro. Just chew it.
Bite it.
It's nice,
Like
man.
that.
Yeah. Just chew
Yeah,
it.
bite the whole thing, yeah.
Yeah, just chew it. Don't swallow it, obviously.
And just
Up
fuck
and
it.
coming productions.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
It's a good cake, man.
Right. Sweet then.
It's sweet, it's good.
Alright. And
Bun-
you can see, look,
Bun chewing gum.
Ross
Get
is on
me, yeah?
camera right
I
now.
will chew on sugar cane. I'll walk around. Get me. I'm not playing.
Yeah.
I'm not playing out there.
Yes, people, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. That is
it!
Yeah, man. Alright.
Yeah, people, man. Big up
Re-
yourselves, man.
Respect people, yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Who we have in the building? And who we have on there, sir?
Warrior.
And who we have there, sir? Alright, people, yeah. See you soon.